Hello children, how are you? Hoping all of you are doing well. Dear students, in the previous class we had started exercise 13b and we have done till question number 7. Now today we are going to start exercise 13b from question number 9. Let us see this question. In the following figure, OP and OQ, OP, OQ and OR are drawn perpendicular to the sides BC, CA and AB respectively of triangle ABC. Prove that AR square plus BP square plus CQ square is equal to AQ square plus CP square plus BR square. This is figure given. Here figure is given. So given, what is given in this question? Triangle ABC in which O is a point such that OP perpendicular on BC, OQ perpendicular on AC and OR perpendicular on AB. These are perpendicular line, means they are forming 90 degree. To prove that AR square plus BP square plus CQ square is equal to AQ square plus CP square plus BR square. Now construction. Join OA, OB and OC. Proof. In right angle triangle AOR, in this triangle, since this is right angle, so this will be the hypotenuse. So here we will write down AR square. AR square means base square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So we can write down here OA square is equal to AR square plus OR square by Pythagoras theorem, or we can write down AR square is equal to OA square minus OR square. This will be our first equation. Similarly, in triangle BOP, in this triangle BOP and triangle COQ, this triangle. So let us see. BP square is equal to, so this is right angle triangle, so this will be hypotenuse. So this is base. Base square is equal to hypotenuse minus perpendicular square. So BP square is equal to OB square minus OP square. This is our second equation by Pythagoras theorem. And in this triangle, this is right angle triangle, so CO will be hypotenuse. So we'll write down CQ square is equal to, similarly base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So we'll write down OC square minus OQ square. This will be our third equation. By adding equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, let us see. AR square plus BP square plus CQ square is equal to OA square minus OR square plus OB square minus OP square plus OC square minus OQ square. So AR square plus BP square plus CQ square is equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OR square minus OP square minus OQ square. This is our fourth equation. Again in triangle BOR, let us see BOR in this triangle and COP in this triangle and AOQ in this triangle. In this three triangle, you will find that BR square here. This is in this triangle. In this triangle, this is right angle triangle, so BO will be hypotenuse. So BR square means base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. So we'll write down OB square minus OR square. Similarly, in this triangle COQ, in triangle COQ, in this triangle, this is will be our hypotenuse. So CP square is equal to OC square minus OP square. And in triangle AOQ, AQ square is equal to OA square minus OQ square. By adding all this equation, we'll get it here. BR square plus CP square plus AQ square is equal to OB square minus OR square plus OC square minus OP square plus OA square minus OQ square. Now AQ square plus CP square plus BR square, by arranging this number, we'll get it this much, is equal to OA square, where is OA square plus OB square plus OC square, all positive numbers are here, then minus OR square minus OP square minus OQ square. You will find that AQ square plus CP square plus BR square is equal to this right hand side's term is equal to this term. Here I have written this is equal to equation 4. This right hand side of equation 4. So therefore we can say that by equation 4 and equation 5th, this will be our equation 5th. AR square plus BQ square plus CQ square is equal to, if this right hand side are same, then their left hand side will also be same, AB square plus CP square plus BR square. Hence proved. Now let us see question number 13. In triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree, it is given, and angle CA is equal to CB. CA is equal to AB, and D is a point on AB produced. Prove that DC square, prove that we have to prove here, prove that DC square minus BD square, equals to 2AB into AD, 2AB into AD. Let us see, given in triangle ABC, in this triangle, angle A is 90 degree given, CA is equal to AB, this is also given, and D is produced, D is a point on AB, it is given. To prove that DC square minus BD square is equal to 2AB into AD. Proof. In triangle ACD, in triangle AACD, in bigger triangle, DC square is equal to, DC will be the hypotenuse, so DC square is equal to AC square plus AD square by Pythagoras theorem. So DC square is equal to AC square plus, in place of AD we will write down AB plus BD whole square. So DC square is equal to AC square plus A plus B whole square, means A square means AB square plus BD square plus 2AB, 2 into AB into BD. So DC square, we will transpose this BD to the right hand side, minus BD square is equal to AC square plus AB square plus 2AB into BD. But we have seen it is given in the question that AC is equal to AB, it is given. So we will write down here, therefore DC square minus BD square is equal to, in place of AC we will write down AB square plus AB square plus 2AB into BD. Now DC square minus BD square is equal to AB square plus AB square 2AB square plus 2AB into BD. Now DC square minus BD square is equal to 2AB, we will take it as a common. So here we will get it 1AB plus, because AB square is given, so 1AB we have taken outside, so 1AB will be inside the bracket, plus AB we have taken outside, so here it will remaining AD, we will write down here AD inside the bracket. So DC square minus BD square is equal to 2AB into, here AB plus BD, AB plus BD is equal to AD. In place of this we will write down AD. So in this way it is proved, hence. So in this way we have proved, it is hence proved. Now let us see next question number 15. In the following figure, AD is perpendicular to BC and D divides BC in the ratio 1:3. Prove that 2AC square is equal to 2AB square plus BC square. Let us see. Given in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, it means this is 90 degree, such that BD ratio CD is equal to 1:3. To prove that 2AC square is equal to 2AB square plus BC square. Proof. BD ratio CD is equal to 1:3, it is given. So BD ratio BC is equal to 1 BD 1 ratio, and BC means BD plus CD means 1 plus 3, that is equal to 1:4. So BD by BC is equal to 1/4. So by making a cross multiplication, BC will come this side, BD is equal to BC by 4, that is equal to 1/4 of BC. Similarly, CD is equal to what? If BC is equal to 1/4, then CD is equal to 1 minus 1/4 BC, that is equal to we'll take it 4 as a LCM. So 4 minus 1, that BC means 3 by 4 of BC. CD is equal to 3 by 4 of BC. Now in triangle ADC, in this triangle angle D is 90 degree given. So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Now in right angle triangle ABD, in ABD we will see that AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. This will be our second equation. By subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we will get it here. AC square minus AB square is equal to AD square plus CD square minus AD square plus BD square. So AC square minus AB square is equal to AD square plus CD square. Let us remove this bracket here. So it will be minus AD minus plus minus BD square. So AC square minus AB square is equal to this AD square plus AD square minus AD square will cancel out. So CD square minus BD square. So AC square minus AB square is equal to CD square. What is the value of CD? 3/4 of BC. So 3 by 4 BC whole square minus BD is 1/4 of BC whole square. So we'll take it LCM here. Now let us see AC square minus AB square is equal to, it is given that 3 by 4 BC whole square minus 1 by 4 BC whole square, that is equal to AC square minus AB square is equal to 3 by 4 BC whole square means 9 by 16 BC square minus, similarly here 1 by 4 BC square means BC square by 16. Now AC square minus AB square is equal to, we'll take it LCM of 16 and 16, it will be 16, and here 9 BC square minus 1 BC square. So AC square minus AB square is equal to 8 BC square, that is equal to 8 BC square by 16. So 8, we will divide this, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So AC square minus AB square is equal to 1 by 2 BC square. Now we will make it a cross multiplication here, it will become 2 AC square minus 2 AB square is equal to BC square, or 2 AC square is equal to BC square plus 2 AB square, or we can write down 2 AC square is equal to 2 AB square plus BC square, hence proved. So dear students, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.